What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and I've decided that I want my Mustang to go from this to this. And you obviously can't go from this to this without this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Cetina Model PB 300 police push bar. In today's video, I'm gonna miraculously somehow manage to take the push bar from the Crown Victoria. I'm gonna have to manage to fit that damn thing on what's gonna be known as the crowd control Mustang. I somehow find it fitting that the Crown Vic Godfather, aka yours truly, is gonna somehow manage, where the hell? It's gonna somehow manage to put a piece of my Crown Victoria into my Mustang. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for a good old-fashioned time-lapse build montage. Wish me luck, guys. I'm definitely gonna need it. Here we go.
That ain't it, Chief.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Oh, my hands.
Where's that hammer?
Hammer's right here. Watch, that's the big heavy heart.
I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, dog bomb. I can't believe it. This is actually happening right now. After what you guys saw that I've gone through, I finally figured out how to get this damn thing going on through here. Always got the wife helping me out. She's behind the camera right now. But this last bolt that I'm gonna tighten signifies a great accomplishment, man. Boy, has it been one hell of a ride. Sometimes I'm a little bit way over my head. In this case, I probably am again. But holy crap, this thing is centered as hell. There's a lot of work ahead. There's a lot more things to do. We're not even close to being finished, but the hardest part is on. So, on to the warehouses. All right, guys, and this is gonna be the final product. There it is, the Barricade Mustang, or as I like to call it, Project Crowd Control. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done, guys. Obviously, it's missing the front bumper cover. I'm still debating whether or not I should do some kind of like bars that connect. You get me? Like two metallic bars that connect from one side to another, or if I should just slap on the old bumper. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This is officially what I believe to be the first ever 2011 model Mustang to ever have a full-blown police push bar on it. As you guys can see, it came off of the old Crown Vic, and damn, the Crown Vic is looking badass even still without the push bar. Either way, let me know what you guys think. Comment section down below. This thing looks so mean. This thing looks so freaking sexy, guys. Oh my god. All that hard work, all that trouble, definitely worth it. You better believe I'm going to be making more videos on this thing, putting a bunch of freaking lights on it. Oh my god, I can't wait. Either way, I want to hear you guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about, where the hell, right there. What do you guys think about that? Let me know. I'm pretty damn sure that's the first one. I know Barricade in the Transformers movies was the previous 05 to 2010 to 2009 model years, but I believe this is the first ever 2011 to 2014 with a full-blown setting up PB, the 300 push bar. That thing is so badass. Either way, it's your boy Mr. Random. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy. A little bonus footage here in case you guys are wondering what it looks like to be in a Mustang GT with a push bar on it. There you go. That's my view, pretty much. That's freaking ridiculous. Thing is absolutely mad, absolutely badass. Holy crap.